Many people unknowingly fall into common financial traps that can hinder their ability to build wealth and achieve long-term stability. These mistakes range from overspending and neglecting savings to accumulating high-interest debt and failing to plan for the future. Addressing these issues is essential, as they can have lasting impacts on financial security and personal well-being. By understanding and correcting these habits, individuals can set themselves on a path toward healthier finances and greater peace of mind. One of the most common financial mistakes is neglecting to create and follow a budget. Without a clear understanding of where your money goes each month, it's easy to overspend and lose track of important expenses. This lack of oversight can quickly lead to financial instability, making it difficult to save or prepare for unexpected costs. By taking the time to track your spending and set realistic limits, you can gain control over your finances. Starting with simple steps, such as listing your income and expenses, can make budgeting manageable and help you build a more secure financial future. Living without an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable to unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. Without savings set aside, even minor financial setbacks can quickly escalate into larger problems, potentially leading to debt or financial instability. Building an emergency fund may seem challenging, especially on a tight budget, but starting small can make a difference. Consider setting aside a modest amount each week or month and look for ways to reduce non-essential expenses. Over time, these small contributions can grow into a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and greater resilience against life's uncertainties. Carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card balances and certain loans, can significantly erode your financial stability over time. The compounding interest makes it difficult to pay off the principal, often resulting in larger payments and prolonged debt cycles. To address this, consider strategies like prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates, consolidating loans for lower payments, or setting up automatic payments to avoid missed deadlines. Creating a realistic budget and cutting unnecessary expenses can also free up funds to accelerate debt repayment. By tackling high-interest debt proactively, you can reduce financial stress and improve your long-term financial health. Many people overlook retirement planning, assuming there's plenty of time to start saving later. However, delaying retirement contributions can significantly reduce the amount you accumulate due to missed opportunities for compound growth. Even small, regular investments made early can grow substantially over time. To avoid costly setbacks, consider setting up automatic deposits into a retirement account and exploring employer-sponsored plans or individual retirement options. Taking these steps now can help secure financial stability for your future. Overspending on non-essentials is a common pitfall that can quietly undermine your financial progress. Lifestyle inflation, where expenses rise as income increases, often leads to unnecessary purchases that add little long-term value. Impulse buying can further derail your budget, making it harder to save or invest for future goals. To avoid these traps, it's important to distinguish between wants and needs, and to practice mindful spending. Setting clear priorities and tracking expenses can help you stay focused on what truly matters, ensuring your financial decisions support your overall objectives. Throughout this discussion, we've highlighted several common financial mistakes, such as overspending, neglecting savings, and failing to budget effectively. These pitfalls can hinder long-term financial stability and create unnecessary stress. Fortunately, there are practical solutions you can adopt to improve your financial well-being. Establishing a clear budget, setting aside regular savings, and monitoring your expenses are essential first steps. By making informed decisions and staying disciplined, you can build a stronger financial foundation and work towards achieving your financial goals. Staying informed about financial strategies can make a significant difference in managing your money effectively. By keeping up with the latest tips and insights, you can make smarter decisions and work toward your financial goals. Engaging with reliable sources ensures you never miss important updates or advice. Supporting educational content helps foster a community focused on financial well-being.